if you're green, just be happy about it. What's up guys, Steven Dux here. So I've been gone for a long time. I was traveling and teaching some students in person. So if you're interested, I will put a link below and you can go ahead and register. So today we're going to talk about some weak sectors that was happening in the last couple of weeks, and they were very hyped. Some tickers are going 20 cents to $2, 3 to 12, or some goes to 20 cents even to $10. So they're going supernovas everywhere, and they're going up 2,000%, 3,000%. Now the key is to figure out when to have the right entry, because in bigger market cap, there's going to be bigger resistance. So the bigger of the market cap, the bigger the resistance it needs to be for you to start an entry to either go long or go short, because there's more people trading. Therefore, it needs to be a larger resistance than the small cap and the mid cap we used to trade almost all the time. So let's get into IGC. So this ticker was going from 40 cents to $2, and I think it squeezed a lot of people right around here. It kind of exhausted in the twos and start fading back. So I'm thinking this one should do offering, because they kind of need money need to raise some money. So probably fades back to 1 or 1.25. That's my prediction for the next few days or next couple of weeks. Because there's so many support, trading 40 million shares, 30 million shares. So it's gonna take a long time to fade back. So this one leans more towards to swing trade on IGC. For now, I don't see any upside on IGC because there's just so many resistance up in the $2-ish. That's my thoughts for IGC. On CRON, now you can see I don't really trade billion-dollar market cap for the last couple of years, and you can see this massive volume trade. It's 80 million shares traded in the $12, and there's about 2 resistance right around here. They're all around $12-ish. So I doubt this one will bounce back and break $12. Probably gap up tomorrow and have a nice fade back later on the day. But this one will be also a swing positions, because they are larger cap. It takes a long time to drop, and in day trading, I think it's better to split 2 positions. What I mean splitting 2 positions means splitting your account into 2 separate parts. One you can do swing, one you can do day trading. So it's basically like trading it like aggressive income versus passive income. Swing trading is more like passive, day trading is more like aggressive. So I think within all those opportunities are laid all over the market, I think it's the safest way to grow. 50% of your account goes to swing, 50% of your account goes to day trading. Now on TLRY, and this ticker, has been going up for the past couple weeks, and their fundamentals are relatively pretty good. So I'm not really eager to short this, and it's not trading that much volume, and there's not much very solid resistance I can see from the chart. The chart is brand new, so I don't know what it's gonna do, and I'm just gonna wait and see what happens next. I think that's my thoughts for the REIT sector. And also want to talk about a little bit mentality or little trading tips for you guys. I think a lot of people are are making money recently, and the reason why making large amount of money can lead into a loss, because it's what going through in their mental. So let's say, for example, you are up $5,000 today. Now suddenly the stock doesn't do what you want to do. Then it bounces back and you covered, or you sold your positions. You made about $3,000, and then your mental will be going through that I should make $5,000 today. Now next time, you're either gonna be more greedy, or either feels like that the market is owing you that $2,000 cash, then it will just lead to have bigger egos and more positions and more greedy. And that's exactly wrong. Why should treat the market? I think that's all beginners, people making mistakes. So hopefully, when you start with your day, if you're green, just be happy about it. In day trading industry, I think the hardest thing is to fight through your mental and treat it like you're a business, or treat it like a practice. The more you practice, the better you will be. It's not like something you can go in and make a ton of money in one day, and that's for the lottery. So a lot of people tend to think that way, but if you think, okay, today I made $3,000, I'm grateful, I'm gonna start my day fresh tomorrow, do what I've been doing, and just keep practicing. And if you think more conservatively, you can achieve consistent profitable much quicker than you think. So that's a little tips for today, and hope you guys learned something from the lesson today. Bigger market caps, they tend to drop slower, they tend to spike slower, and they don't bounce, they don't decline that fast. So people are day trading the stocks, they tend to use leverage. That's a mistakes. So don't use leverage on those big market caps. Stay on your same risk level. Be grateful if you're green today. And that will be it for today. Thank you very much, and you guys have a great day.